Okay, guys, as you can see, I have a new Khan Academy page open with a blank canvas and no code. So what we're going to do here with this example here today, I'm going to quickly show you how to put a background color on our canvas and then also add a few shapes and fill some colors just as a review. So first thing, obviously, guys, you want to title your document up here at the top. You could call it robot. That'd be great. And now next thing, in order to put a background color, we're going to come up here to our line 1 of our code, and we're going to type in the word background, background, and put in your parenthesis, and you'll notice you'll get this color palette. Now when you click on that color palette, you'll notice that you could get any color you desire. So I'm going to choose a blue color. It's my favorite color. I'm going to put a blue background on, and that's it. That's quite easy. Now let's say that I'm ready to put or start my robot. So I'm going to put a robot face here real quick. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to type in the word, I'm going to use a rectangle for my face as an example. So I'll type in rect, put in my parenthesis, and I'm going to put this rectangle, as close to the center that I can see. So I'm going to go like with 150 pixels over. I'll come down 100 pixels from the top. And I'm going to make this about 150 pixels wide. And we'll go with, again, about 100 pixels tall. So we'll see how this looks. There you go. And you'll see it's not quite in the middle, so I'm going to drag this over a little bit. Drag it over to about like 125. That'll do it. There we go. And there's my rectangle for my start of my face in my robot. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some color for the face here. So I'm going to come up here to line 2. And as you guys know, I like to leave myself a little bit of room. So I'm going to hit my enter key one time. And I'm going to add some color to this shape. So what I'm doing, I'm going to type in fill, F-I-L-L, put in my parentheses. Again, you see the same color palette. So you could choose whatever color you want. Let's say if I wanted to leave it as red, that's totally fine. Here's the face of my robot. Now maybe I'm going to start putting in some eyes, and I'll put a quick note up here. Remember, just by putting a / allows you to type in notes. I'm going to put face of robot. There we go. And then I'm going to hit my enter key. Now what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to put an ellipse in here for an eye. So I'm going to type in ellipse. And I'm going to bring this ellipse in probably about, like, let's say 140. I'll bring it down about 120. I'm going to make it 60 pixels wide, 30 pixels high. And there you go. You can see I missed the face. So I'm going to drag that over using my number scrubber. Put it right about there. And I'm going to bring this down a little bit. There you can see. Maybe right about there. There you go. That looks good for me. Now, the crazy thing is you're going to notice my eye is also the same color as the face because that's what I chose in my fill color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the eye color here. So what I'm going to come up here to row 6. I'm going to hit my enter key again. And I'm just going to type in my notes. You do not need to do this. I just like to have notes. Type in eye. And now I'm going to put my fill color in for my eyes. I'm going to say fill. See? And there you go. I'm going to add a fill color for my eyes. So obviously, as you want to change the color of each shape, you have to put the fill right above the shape that you want to change it. Okay? Maybe I'll put the next eye in. Maybe I'll change this one. I'll bring this one over to like 180. There we go. 140. I'll keep everything symmetrical except for the x-axis. There you go. Again, I'm going to have to drag this over a little bit to the right. Right about there. Maybe 136. There we go. And there's my eyes. So hopefully this helps you out. Again, this example should demonstrate how to put a background color on and then also add color to each of your shapes. And if you want to, again, a great idea is just to put some notes in, as you can see, the // So as you progress through this, again, don't forget to save often. And again, have a lot of fun with this. Be creative. Again, it's just practice, but I'm going to give you 10 points for completing this. So again, have fun, be creative, see what you could do with some shapes, some fill colors, and backgrounds. Okay, I'll see you guys soon.